Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Saturday. Well, as you can see, we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is in the bag. Well, if I can get these. These are not my normal scissors. These are my dollar scissors I bought probably 15 years ago, and they're still working. They need a little bit better sharpening. So let's see what we got. All right. Give me a second. All right. This bag comes from VIPCrossStitch, and this is part 1 of my review for them. And we will open these 2 this week, and next week we will open the other 2. And if they have any specials or any discount codes, I will, or if I have any, we'll put them right in here. So let's take the first Joy Sunday kit that I have. Now this one is 44 by 44. It's $14.08. Joy Sunday comes in the lovely Joy Sunday bag. Let's see here. All right. Isn't that pretty? It's just plain and it's simple. And it's called Corner of Venice. I figured this would go along with my major city theme. So we will add that to Amsterdam, Copenhagen. I think I have one from Paris, London, and New Orleans. Oh, and I think I have one from New York City. Or looks like New York City. But anyway, this is the Corner of Venice, 14 count. There's going to be some back stitching. Looks like it's a partial. And there may be some half cross stitches. I'm not real sure. No, they're full. So it is a full cross stitch, not a partial. I was looking for the numbers. So we have 33 colors. It does have 2 sets of keys. This key goes to the paper pattern. This key goes to the canvas. And we have 310 black. Anything else I know? No 823, no 939, no 3371. Huh. And it does have one color, which is 310 for back stitch. So there is no half cross stitch. This is a full cross stitch pattern. As you can see, the sky is done. But very nice pattern. It looks like straight line back stitching. So that's good. Little bit around a curve, no big deal. Nothing in the trees. But it's mostly the buildings. Not even seeing any on that little bridge. So mostly the buildings. But very nice. It has separated it out into 6 full pages. And the page number is right at the bottom of each section. Right here. So yeah, so let's take a look at the colors. See if I can get everybody going in the right general direction. It does come with 2 needles, and it does come on the very nice thread card. How many strands, DMC, and then the thread card number. Let me just separate that a bit and kind of mush that down so we don't lose those needles, because in the future we may need them. So we have kind of a bittersweet orange, tan, and a light brown. There's no white per se, no 3865 or B5200. And we have some darker colors here with kind of a red, and we have brick red for 814. Very nice. Very nice indeed. So this looks like a simple project with some nice big areas. Not expecting a lot of confetti, but we're going to find out, right? Maybe in the water. But it's straight line confetti. Does that make sense? It's not scattered. I'm trying to figure out which way goes the thing. Oh, here we go. So the background's really big. It's in a lot. So if you wanted to do that in half cross stitch, probably could if you wanted to. But the confetti is nominal. It's just like all in one area. Nice, easy to see symbols. I'll hold it as still as I possibly can. Nice big key. The numbers all run across here, and they're across the bottom, and then we just have one for the outline stitch. So this is way easier than any of those other names that I mentioned. It is 200 stitches wide by 200 stitches wide, and it is serged all the way around. We have 45 centimeters, or almost 17 3/4 inches by 40, a little tad bit over 44 centimeters, or almost 17.5 inches. Actual picture size is little over 36 centimeters, or 14 1/4 inches. This is an approximation. 36.5 centimeters, or a little over 14 1/4 inches. So very nicely done. So I'm looking forward to adding this to my collection of towns. Very nice. Nice and smooth. Lightweight, just like Joy Sunday is. All right, let's move on to the next one. Joy Sunday as well. Same bag. Now this one is 31 by 31. It was $8.60 if I could get it out of the bag. Holy cow. And flip it. Whoop, of course I flipped it the wrong way. And it is called Embroidered Girl. So it's got a tad bit of back stitching in it. Some on the cat in her hair. The thread she's holding. A little bit in the drapes. Some on the books. But very nice. It is a 14 count as well. A little bit on the chair there. Okay. Let's see what we got going. Oh my goodness. All right. Let me see if I can figure this out. Okay, we have 40 colors in full cross. And you have 3, 6, 9, 12 colors in back stitch. You have 2 sets of numbers. Top numbers go to the paper pattern. Bottom set goes to the canvas. Let's see what we have. We have 310 black. No 550 purple. No 823. No 939. No 3371. We do have 3770, which is that butter color. And we have 3865 and 3866 for whites. So yeah, but very nicely printed, nice, big, easy to see where to put all the back stitching. Oh, there's some in her dress. Oh, of course. Of course. But it's not real big. And it is a partial. This one I know is a partial. It's like a vignette. A vignette. It's 130 by 130 stitches. So yeah, very nicely done. We'll just have to go with the flow. Now this one does not come on one of those nice thread cards that we had before. Does have 2 needles. Look how long those needles are. Holy cow. There's no beading involved here. I don't know why those needles are so huge. Hang on, gotta whoosh down. It's on one of those that just flips over. Nice dark brown though. It's not 3371. It's not dark enough. There's your two whites I was talking about there. But we have tans and brick reds and like bittersweet colors of oranges there. Kind of a dark peach. And we have greens and more red. Did I see? Hang on. Hold, please. Number 4. No, that is 347. I thought maybe it was 321, but it's not. Mostly tans, browns, lots of greens. So we will be starting this one this afternoon for my March Saturday stitching. That's at 1 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Oh yeah, it's not very big at all. Whoop, and it's upside down. My bad. But very well printed. The back stitching is going to make this picture. We have a nice key running along the side, so all these are your back stitches. And then your regular colors go all the way around and down. So a total, it says, of 40 colors. Serged. And all the things that Joy Sunday does. 130 by 130 and serged. All right, 31 centimeters or a little over 12 inches. And a little over 31 centimeters or a little over 12 inches. Actual picture size is, it's almost 9.5 inches or almost 24 centimeters by 9.25 inches or almost 23.5 centimeters. So, let me look. It could go in a 10 by 10 frame, 12 by 12, with nothing left over. Yeah, pretty close to a 12 by 12 frame. After you get rid of all the markings and stuff. So very nice indeed. I like both those kits. You know we'll have to start the other one as well sometime this week. Now, that's all I got from VIPCrossStitch. Thank you, VIPCrossStitch, for the 2 beautiful kits this week. Love them. Now, VIPCrossStitch only has stitching things. No diamond painting, no paint by number. But they do have lots of tools and crafts. They have beaded embroidery and silk embroidery. And they always have a great selection and great prices. They usually have great sales, so do check them out. Thank you everyone for watching today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.